calibrating the optics for optimal clarity. Let's review the IVF process. Here are the ovaries. They travel through the tubes to the uterus. All right, just a small pinch now.
That wasn't bad.
Perfect, all done. Okay, I'm starting the scan now. Okay, good. The follicles are developing as expected. Needle positioned at the follicle. Aspiration initiated.
The embryo compacts, forming a morula. A cavity forms as it becomes a blastocyst. The inner cell mass is now distinct.
This one has the ideal cell symmetry and development rate. Morphology score is excellent, selecting this one. I have wonderful news. You're pregnant.
Oh my goodness, we're pregnant.
This is incredible. Thank you.
Your miracle is here. Oh, our baby, thank you.
He's perfect. We can't thank you enough.